Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is pushing hard to secure more US weapons after the Pentagon briefly paused shipments to Kyiv last week, a decision that highlighted some doubts in Western support for Ukraine's ongoing conflict. In a recent statement, Zelensky said he directed his defense team to intensify all contacts with the American side to speed up arms deliveries, particularly air defense systems. We must implement them as quickly as possible to protect our people, he said, emphasizing Ukraine's need for support while continuing to seek more military aid to sustain the fight against Russia.
Today, we have a package of sanctions against companies from China that unfortunately supply components for Russia's weapons production, particularly for Shaheds. There is clear evidence of this. The details are found in the debris of downed Shaheds.
The Pentagon's pause, which delayed critical supplies like PAC-3 Patriots and artillery rounds, served as a reminder of the challenges Zelensky faces in securing consistent aid. US President Donald Trump, initially unclear about the pause, later confirmed he approved sending defensive weapons to Ukraine, citing Russia's firm stance.
Last week, the Pentagon paused some shipments of weapons to Ukraine. Did you approve of that pause?
We want to put defensive weapons because Putin is not treating human beings right. He's killing too many people. So we're sending some defensive weapons to Ukraine, and I've approved that.
So who ordered the pause last week?
I don't know. Why don't you tell me?
From Moscow's perspective, the US's hesitation reflects growing concerns about pouring resources into a prolonged conflict. Russia argues that Zelensky's focus on Western weapons extends the war, causing more hardship for Ukraine. Zelensky also accused China of supplying components for Russia's Shahed drones, stating, "There is clear evidence of this. The details are found in the debris of downed Shaheds." He announced sanctions on Chinese companies, a move some see as an attempt to shift attention from domestic challenges.